Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation Foll, F-O-L-L, which stands for follow or following. It can be used when there's multiple rows or a set of stitches that you gotta perform, and a pattern will say follow these two rows, or follow these two stitches until end, or what have you, until marker. Or following, say you've performed a group of stitches, following those group of stitches you do such and such. So it's basically a way to quickly tell you there's a continuation, and you carry on. So like in this case, I've got a swatch that's just a simple granny square. And because of the way I started it, I've got two rows that are a little different in the way that it is joined in the round. So in the previous row, it starts with a T-chain. Well, it's not really a T-chain because I'm not turning, but that step-up chain at the beginning of the round. And here I've got it kind of, I mean, it's always in the beginning, but it's like at the end. So the group of three, it begins the group of three, and in this round it will end the group of three for the granny square. So let's just do that. So I've got one here, 1, 2, 3, and the chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. So I'm gonna double crochet two in the space, and do a slip stitch at the top of the chain 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and see it begins the 3 double crochets in this space. So in my instructions it would say follow the 2 rows that are repeating. So that is F-O-O, Foll, stands for follow or following.